and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today I have got a makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how you can create this red eye and lip look. I have already done my base in the tutorial, so if you want to know how to do that, I'll pop a link below to a previous video where I have created my base, and I've just gone straight in to the eyes, lip and the highlight and my brows. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let's get going. So that was the tutorial. What did you guys think? Please leave your comments below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I have tons and tons of makeup tutorials and glitter and festival looks and so much more coming to Sophie Hannah on YouTube. Yeah, I just think this is a really fun look. I love matching my makeup. It's one thing that I love to do, and I just love to get a bit creative, and I just think this is a really fab, fun look. It's really bold, and it would look great paired with like a monochrome outfit or just all black and have like colourful makeup. And yeah, really love it. And as you can see, it was super easy to create. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Peace out.